I forgot to do an intro again. Yeah, anyway, sorry, I'm literally going right now. Yeah, I forgot to do an intro. So hello, it's day 7. Sad, it's really sad, it's the last day. In this beautiful house, I'm in the living room right now, just look. Last day here, it's kind of sad. Well, it is really sad, but yeah. We're going for our last day of holiday. Right, we're in the car park and it's so cool here, oh my god. Look at this. This is beautiful, oh my god, I love it. Look at that. My sister doesn't like it, but I think it's well nice. Look at how scenic it is. Wait, there's so many cars in the view right now. Look, there's cows.
Elsie's like, hey, hi vlog.
Look at this. Oh yeah. This is so nice. Oh god. This is so nice. I love the beaches that are more remote. They're so scenic. They're better than, I feel like personally, I think they're better than the ones that are like in a town and stuff. Look at this view. I like climbed up here, wait. I'm on top of this thing. We've been seeing loads of them. Whoa. Oh my god, no, I'm not sitting there. That's so scary. Look, I climbed up there, but it's so pretty here. Look at that. That view. So nice. Yeah, that's what I just dangled my legs on. But it's a bit scary. Because look how, like, yeah. But I went this way. Down here, there's my bag. Because I left it because I couldn't carry it up. Oh my god, okay. It's so cool to, like, I'm on the steps, but it's so cool to see, like, the rocks of the cliff. Like, it's so cool. Because we are just on, like, we're on, like, rocky bits. Like, it's just so cool. Look at that. That's just so nice. So cool rocks. Going down to the beach. I lost my family. I don't know where they went. I was just too busy. Ooh, cute. I was too busy up there. Okay, basically, at a cafe right now. We're at the cafe. Shut the hell up. Oh, we're at the cafe right now, and we're getting like food and ice cream. I'm so happy because they do a vegan almond magnum, so I'm gonna have that. I'm so excited for. I'm gonna be able to get a magnum.
I'm having a double gold caramel. I'm having a double gold, the caramel double gold billionaire thing.
Nice. Wow. But yeah, it's very scenic here. My sister's there. Look how far out. Oh, yeah, no.
And then I'll hold it when you go.
I'm going in. Yeah, well, oh my god, right, look how far out the tide's gone, mate. Bye, guys. That's crazy. Like, you can tell by the water. Okay, so as you can see, I was in the sea again. It's so fun.
In the sea.
The waves are massive. Obviously, I can't hold my phone right now because I'm all wet and I don't want to get wet.
Can we walk, please?
Yeah,
That's going to get angry.
But the waves are so big. They're going over my head. We're going on a hike right now and there's a seal out there. Stop. There's a seal out there. I want to see if I can get it on the camera because it's so cool. I was like swimming with the seal. Hi, Bob.
Oh, William. Say hi.
Hi. Can you film me, not dad, mate? I'm the one here. No, but we came up just like this because I couldn't be arsed getting ready. Yeah, my sister's a terrible cameraman. Okay, so I just got out of the sea and got dry and dressed. Well, kind of dry, as much as I could.
Can I film you like cameraman? It's really fun. Camera woman, actually.
I don't know, you're kind of a bad cameraman.
No, please, let me.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Hey, guys.
Yeah, Iris is. You've not put it on cinematic mode again, have you?
No, I haven't.
Oh, you not feel that was a picture?
No.
Wait, I'll take a
picture.
picture.
You ready?
Go. Yeah, so we just got out the sea. I was the only one swimming. I don't know why I was saying we, but we're going to this church now to see like the graveyard and stuff because we love churches. We do. Also, you know what we discovered? Can you not?
Okay,
Seriously. You know what we discovered here? They do like morning yoga on the beach, which is so cute.
Yeah, at 8 a.m.
Like, yeah, I really want to do that because I might be going uni around here. So like, I could literally do that. Yeah, you're terrible cameraman, Ira. God.
God forbid I have manners. Right, I'm sorry, I had manners to let you go first. Right, I'll get in front of you then.
Yeah, that's what camera people are supposed to do. Go on then, catch
have
up
no
with me
manners?
Then. Go on then, catch up with me then. Anyway, Ronaldo's mum skedaddling away from us. Yo, yeah, look at this view though, it's so pretty. So nice.
See, hire me.
We're going to this
Hire
cute
me.
little
I'll
church.
take 20 quid
Yeah,
for
I'm
a-
pointing, mate.
Every 2 minutes I film.
Church.
Every 2 minutes is 20 quid. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Tenner a minute.
Tenner a
And this video is currently 1 minute and 30 seconds, so that's 10 minutes. That's a tenner and 50 and 5 quid.
50. Yeah.
Dad was 87. The mother of the dad was 90, and their mum was 101.
Oh wow.
101.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh wow. Look at this. Wait. Has it got water in it?
Put your hand in.
I don't know if we're allowed to
It's
touch
just
it.
holy water.
Are you allowed to touch holy water? No, there's no water in that.
Wow.
This is so cute. Oh my god.
Take some pictures.
Wow.
It
Oh
will
yeah.
have had, look, it will have had like what they call a parapet, and the priest would have come and stood up
Oh
here.
yeah. Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Wow. Look at the engravements in the shelf things. They're so cute. Look.
Look at the tiny pew there, like the altar boy pew.
Oh. Well.
This is gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah. Why does this grave have like a cage around it? These two.
Yeah, we don't know. We'll Google it when we get back.
Didn't you say it was something like, oh, it's like stung. Look at that above the sea. It's like the fog is kind of, all the clouds are going away. That's beautiful. Oh my god.